everybody. I'm Joe Willoughby from Bird's Eye Ag Solutions. I want to give you a little demonstration today. We're down here at a farm in Royal Oak, Maryland on Eastern Shore, and today's issue is a little bit of Johnson grass cleanup. Obviously the field's been a little too wet to get a tractor in here, and this is where this drone comes in handy, as I can scoot the outer edge without having to touch anything and worry about screwing up any kind of crop or anything like that. So we're going to give you a little demonstration about how this thing can go. Everything's been mapped out. I've used the RTK system, which I'll show you in a second, which gives me pinpoint accuracy about where I'm going to spray, where the drone is going to take off and land from, and making sure I have my correct routes to get everything I need to get as far as spraying what I need to spray. Like I said, today's culprit is Johnson grass, so we're going to knock it out. So we're going to get this thing going, give you a little demonstration. We're a little far away because obviously the field's a little too wet to drive any equipment out there, so I have to kind of do it from afar, but it is what it is. Here we go. RTK base station. This allows us to map a field accurately. Same thing as you'd see on any other farm tractor. Once you map it, it connects to any satellite and pinpoints your accuracy. That's what I say, when the drone takes off and lands in the exact same point, it takes off and then lands on the exact same point it took off from. This is what does that. So this allows me to get these areas and nooks and crannies that just some things cannot get. This is a vital piece of my operation. Like I said, it provides the pinpoint accuracy that I need. So that's all. Thanks again. And that's all she wrote. Now she's gonna come back where she took off from and come back and land exactly where she took off from as well. As with any other application, once you're done the job, we clean out the spray tank, get some clean water, run it through the nozzles and through the tank and everything, and make sure everything's clean. So that way when we go to our next job, which is a little bit after this, we're not bringing what we sprayed here with us over there. We can start fresh with a brand new batch. So that way we're spraying what we need to spray and not adding other chemicals. This is a vital, important part of the operation. Every time you're done spraying, clean the tank, clean the tank, clean the tank. All I can say, this is pretty cool because it automatically does it for you. All you gotta do is put the clean water in, tell it to drain what's the remaining. It cleans out the nozzles and the hoses for you, and you're good to go for your next job. On to the next. I want to thank you all for watching my video. Again, I'm Joe Willoughby with Bird's Eye Ag Solutions out of Queen Anne, Maryland. Please visit my website, birdseyeagsolutions.com. Send me a message if you have any questions at all. I'm more than happy to answer them. I'm more than happy to help you out any way I can. Thank you all. Good day.